Happy Holi.
Thank you so much.
Happy
Happy
Yeah, yeah, here. Yes, ma'am. Happy Holi, happy
Ready? Now. 1, 2, 3. Happy Holi! To H2O movement, the special Fulawali Holi. And we are having the best Holi possible, but with an ethical sense to it. We are playing with flowers and saving water, no chemicals, and at the end of the day, no harm to the environment or to the animals. So it's a very special Holi. Enjoy the festival. आप लोग जितना मर्जी होली खेल सकते हैं, but थोड़ा वैल्यू से एथिकली होली खेलो, बिना पानी वेस्ट करते हुए, बिना केमिकल कलर्स यूज करते हुए, एंड अबव ऑल कितने जानवर और एनवायरनमेंट को इस चीज से नुकसान हो जाता है। अगर हम सब मिलके थोड़ा सा बदलाव ला सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? So to that, Fulawali Holi begins today. Thank you, everybody. I want to, of course, first of all, thank the Hotel and Restaurant Association. Himanshuji, please join us here. Everybody, give them a big hand because in Bombay and out here. Thank you so much and thank you for being here. And next, I want to specially thank our supporter. हर जगह पानी के लिए हमारा CSR supporter रहा है Bisleri, and I want to thank them for being there every step of the way. So thank you. And now I want to specially bring on MSME. Please, Kavita ji, join us and MSME उनके businesses के through यही movement वो लोग propagate कर रहे हैं कि पानी का बचाव करने के लिए. So thank you, and it shouldn't stop with just Holi. We should continue this every step of the way. I want to invite Dr. Bart Fisher, all the way from Washington, who especially come down, twice Nobel Prize nominee, one of the top attorneys in the world, also one of the key members of the National Press Club Washington. Everybody, Dr. Bart Fisher. Thank you. And with that, the array of stars and everyone, thank you, Paul, for bringing this beautiful group of people. Anilji, we welcome you. Please join us here. Please, everybody. We need people like this with heart. पैसा तो बहुत लोगों के पास होते हैं, but दिल भी तो होनी चाहिए कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए. And here we are having those here. Thank you for joining us. Now, one of the most beautiful and somebody who's a sister to me, Shivani Kashyap. Shivani, please join us. It's wonderful having you with us. And I want to call Akura. Aurora. I'm sorry, guys. I'm needing Aurora for Aurora. Such culture and our culture and imbibing it. Aurora, thank you for being here. Everybody, give Aurora a big hand. It's Aura. So apologize. I apologize to that. And now, Hansa, please join us, please. Shweta, please join us. Umesh, please join us. Ankita, please join us. Karul, please join us. Please do. And Neeraj, I want the whole group to be here. Priyanka, please join us. These are the people who are bringing the value system up front. क्योंकि हम सब खेलते हैं, कल छोटी होली है, and I'm sure आप सब खेलेंगे. But ये मैसेज आज हम सबको देना चाहते हैं, होली खेलो, but value से खेलो, ethically खेलो, और किसी को नुकसान मत पहुंचाओ. And with that, I would like Anuji to say a few words.
धन्यवाद to join us here for this noble cause. बिना आप लोगों के मैसेज कहीं नहीं पहुंच सकता है. Water, a very sensitive subject. मुझे कुछ लम्हे याद आ गए जो मेरे दादाजी मेरे से शेयर किया करते थे. This is about almost 36 years back. I still remember he telling me one fine day कि बेटा आने वाले दिन देखना पानी भी हिंदुस्तान में बिकेगा. और आज आपको देख लीजिए बिस्लेरी यहाँ पार्टनर है. So the other fact what he told me was जो नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर होगी वो पानी की वजह से होगी. और जो आलम अभी चल रहा है, जो समाज में माहौल चल रहा है, वो दिन दूर नहीं है कभी शायद वर्ल्ड वॉर पक्का दिख रही होते हो सबको. तो लेट्स, एज राइटली सेड बाय संजना जी, लेट्स सेव वाटर टू द utmost. बिना पानी के हम कुछ भी नहीं. Every drop matters. What is life? That's a core fact of life. So let's acknowledge to the utmost how important water is and take life forward. मैं कुछ देर पहले कह रहा था संजना जी को, हिंदुस्तान में अगर कोई सुधार लाना है तो कोई ना कोई फाइन लेवी करना जरूरी है. मैम मैंने आपसे भी जिक्र किया, nothing can be a better thought than this. आपके सामने एक उदाहरण दूंगा दोस्तों. I was in Bangladesh a week back. There are those rickshaw drivers there. It's manual rickshaws. You know, those people dragging that rickshaw up to any destination you want. उसने एक सिग्नल तोड़ा. I was shocked to see the punishment he got. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आप सिग्नल तोड़ते हो, you pay a fine and say goodbye. जब उसने सिग्नल तोड़ा, पुलिस कॉप ने उसको 4 डंडे से मारी उसको. That gave me a thought. ये लागू यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में होना चाहिए हम लोगों के लिए. अगर हम सिग्नल तोड़े तो वो पुलिस वाला हमको उतार के 4 डंडे मारे वहां पे. आप मानो सिग्नल कभी नहीं टूटेगा. This is what you keep learning every day. मैम इस पे जरूर गौर कीजिएगा कि किस तरीके से फाइन लेनी हो सकती है. Because water is absolutely precious. हम आने वाली नस्लों को क्या फ्यूचर देंगे अगर पानी नहीं बचा रहे. Thanks so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Our H2O movement is walk for water, walk for life, and swap for life. That's because Dr. Fisher brings one of the largest movements for bone marrow registry with Give Life Foundation. So, please, this is amazing, the kind of work that you are bringing. A few words from you, Dr. Fisher.
Great to be here. We need this holiday in America. This is something we should have for. The Give Life Foundation promotes stem cell donation. The 2 pillars of life, one is water. Without water, you have no life. But also without stem cells, you have no life. Because stem cells produce blood of all types. Red cells, white cells, platelets, and you need them. And unfortunately, India does not have a bone marrow transplant registry that is viable, large, significant, and able to save so many lives. So I set this up 40 years ago in the United States. It's been very successful. We find a match. If you say have leukemia or thalassemia or sickle cell anemia, you need a match if your bone marrow doesn't work. So we find the match, and we do it by a swap like that, and you're in the registry. You can learn a lot from the swap. And what you learn, also, you can learn DNA, genetics, and also neurotypes. It's an amazing source of information. So what we're doing is we're going around cities in India. We were just in Chennai, and we go to Bangalore and other Hyderabad, other places. And the purpose is to promote these twin pillars of life: water, sunshine. Without water you don't have life, but also without stem cells you don't have life. So my goal is to get 80 million HLA neurotype people in the registry in India. Big job. Now you have less than 6 million. And then take it to the world, because we have 5 million Indians in the United States and the diaspora in the U.S. We can do that, or have marrows going both ways. So it's a two-way street. We can help each other. And at the end of the day, it's a great tool for international relations and bilateral relations between the countries, the U.S. and India. And it's a way to build bridges. And we become blood brothers and blood sisters and one human family. And at the end of the day, we are one human family. Someone from Mars looking at this, people fighting, will think we're crazy. Just crazy. Why are we doing this? We're one human family. I've been all over the world. I've been in Cuba, I've been in China, and set these registries up in other countries. And I've said the same thing to the officials. We're all mothers, fathers, and let's just make our lives better and save our kids. So the organization in the United States is called Be the Match, and it's very famous, and you see that all over. That was 40 years ago, and it's worked. And something that works should be exported to India. This is an uncommon man, and he can do it. He can help us. Look good. Very good. We'll check on that.
Well,
right.
to bring things together,
Thank you.
that's important. Thank you, Dr. Fisher. Whoever's joined us, please come up, because it's important to have you join us up here. Please come up, because you're part of the movement, and I want you please do. Well, you're here, please come up. Please come up. And the people who are here, please come up. Join us here. You are an integral part of the movement, and so please come and join us. The reason why all of you, the media, आप लोग इतना जरूरत है, क्योंकि मैसेज हम अब इधर पे थोड़े लोगों को पहुंच रहे हैं, लेकिन आप लोगों के माध्यम से ये सब लोग सुन सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं और कुछ बदलाव ला सकते हैं. तो प्लीज इस चीज में आप सब मिलकर मदद कीजिए कि ये मूवमेंट हमारे देश के लिए, पानी के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट बने. And Shivani, something from you on this.
So let's just give it up for this dynamic woman of substance, Sanjana John, and her amazing, inspiring thing that she keeps doing. So, we go back a very long way, and I know that she's been saving these animals. But that endeavor of hers is so amazing. Whenever I've gone to her house in Gurgaon in Delhi, at least 10 dogs, just strays, she has actually kept them and she's looking after them in her house. They are her friends. And of course, now to save this water movement is, my gosh, it's imperative. It's the need of the hour, because yes, we are running out of water. What will we do? So here's a wonderful initiative where we can play Holi without water with flowers. I think kudos to you for this. Let's just take this ahead and let's put this everywhere on our posts so that everyone executes this and understands this and promotes this movement. Let's save water. Thank you.
Well, thank you guys. I want to welcome Holi hai aur sabko jo hai, मैं welcome Priyanka. Can we put our
Yes. Look at it.
So, sorry for the voice, guys.
This will come this way.
Happy Holi and welcome. Yes. So here we have Anuji, welcome. If there's anybody in the crowd that I'm missing, please join us, because I'm kind of short-sighted. So please do join. Oh, yes.
Just for the honorable friend, you say, one earth, one family.
Yes. Yes, Carl, please.
Yes, yes, Karun.
So I would request, starting from Ankita, to say a few words and please pass on the mic so that everyone who contributes and gives us their valuable perspective.
Before that, can you say something so that we get all kind of impact?
So, Dr. Sanjana, that's a lovely movement and we all are proud to be part of it and in any way we can contribute in our little way, we would love to do that.
That
Thank you so
means
much.
a lot. And I just want to
तो साइड में रहती है भाई
So I'm passing on the mic to Ankita to say a few words.
Firstly, a big thank you for getting all of us together. I just feel it's so hard. Bombay is such a fast life. To come together for an initiative like this also takes effort. So, firstly, thank you. Thank you always for coming and putting our words to the world. And I feel we are humans, we can still talk to each other, and everything that we do has a repercussion. But animals, I feel more. And you should just see them. कभी ना आप लोग देखना हम होली दिवाली कोई भी चीज सेलिब्रेट just look at them. वो ना छुप जाते हैं वो कहीं पर and they don't drink they don't get water they don't get food so हम तो फिर भी बोल देंगे I got hurt I'm not liking this don't do this we'll have a particular topic to talk about or give our expression towards it but how we should all of us just give one thought towards the animals and rest will follow. We are at the end of the day people who celebrate life, so we are going to celebrate Holi, but this time with flowers. Yeah.
Go for Precious and happy Holi everyone!
So
Please present. Thank you so much. 5 different sources of life, which are Dharti, Vayu, Jal, Akash, and water. Fine. It's one of them, of course, without which the existence of life should be inevitable and would be marooned. So thank you so much, and thank you, Sadhana, and all the dignitaries for remaining present. That's super. Happy Holi to everyone. With
And
flowers.
MSME Business World Association goes long back. She's very dear to our heart. And definitely being into the government and the way we are pushing sustainability initiatives, encouraging and building capacity for the MSMEs in the sustainability sector. That is one part. But when Sanjana came to us with her thoughts on save water, that is very noble and rightly everyone said out here water is going to be the next thing that we would be all fighting for. So even on our kitchens, ladies, even if you can just save a bottle of water, a bucket of water from a RO filter, that saves a lot of water. So I believe in 3 R's principle, which is not this has been termed later on by the standardization organization 3 R's principles, but this has been actually used by our grandmoms reuse, recycle, don't waste. So let's get back to a tradition. And when there is a lot of cures going around the world, I think Sanjana, you have come up with a very brilliant idea. Holi in traditional way with the flower petals and something to the look at the humanity and celebrate together.
I'm so glad that you are there supporting. And I just want you to know.
And already हम लोग examples देख रहे हैं. South Africa has already, declared a water shortage. And as Anil ji very rightly mentioned that अगली war जो होगी वो हमारे resource के लिए होगी. So coincidentally, my web series has released on Disney Hotstar, and it's on the 5 elements. So which Sir just talked about. It's called The Power of Panch. So I am really overwhelmed and super happy that and honored to be a part of it. Thank you, Sanjana, for this moment. Much needed, and thank you to our dear media members over here because जैसे कहा गया कि आपके जरिए ही आप हम लाखों करोड़ों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचा. Thank you and thank you.
Part of this event. Thank you so much. और अच्छे तरीके से होली खेलिए. कल छोटी होली है, परसों बड़ी होली है. अच्छे तरीके से खेलिए और पानी को सेव करिए. जिस तरीके से आज इन लोगों ने जितनी अच्छी बातें की, हमें सीखना चाहिए. और इस तरीके की होली हम ये नहीं कहते कि आप जिस तरीके से इंडिया में होली मनाई जाती है मत खेलिए आप, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पानी को सेव करिए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
being as a kid, I've seen my father getting tankers of water because I come from mountains, a small village, so there's no water supply. So we used to go and get the tankers for everyone staying there. So I really understand how important it is for us to save water. And more than anything, I would say that yes, we all enjoy playing Holi, but let's take a little step of not using water, throwing water. And I've seen a lot of people throwing balloons, throwing water on dogs. Instead of throwing it, give them so that they can drink it. So I just want to say, great initiative. Thank you for having me here. And happy Holi. Save water. Thank you so much. I don't know, it's like huge kind of butterflies in my stomach at the moment, but having said that, I have to say first foremost, thank you for having me in Sharina and Paro. And I love this internet gathering, talking about one beautiful subject, which is water. And I tell as a spiritual person to a lot of people that whichever thing is alive, is breathing. Even a tree, even a plant, everything is breathing. And as a planetary being, you can talk to a plant to strengthen your mercury. And for emotions, you can talk to water to your overwhelming emotions. So it's just not that it's only for drinking, but for your emotional well-being also you need water. So I am a water baby because of the Pisces, and I just can't do without water. Even though it just makes me feel if there's no water on this earth, how it's gonna be? Because we all can't survive without water at all. So that's one thing, and the initiative is very important. I remember there was a time in the city called Bombay. I call it Bombay because I still love it as a Bombay rather than Mumbai. So I was staying in a society. Sunni region. Sunni region. So that society had water scarcity, and the water used to come only in the morning, 6 to 7. Fill up and forget. The whole day there will be no water, whether it's your flushing water or is it your kitchen or bathroom, whatever needs to be. And I have taken shower in the cold weather of Bombay in a bucket. I've washed my clothes in a bucket. In one bucket, I wash my head to throw everything and use the water in the best possible way. I mean, you can do it when it falls upon you. That's all I need to say because we can do it. It's all within us how to think right about every drop of water. As we say, बूंद से घड़ा भरता है तो वो यकीनन भरता है भर के तो देखिए और उसका इनिशिएटिव हम करते हैं इस होली से this happy Holi to everybody. Please, please, please. I know you all love water, you all love rain dance. You can't do without it, but still do something less and make one effort to just play Holi. चाहे घर में खेलिए आप, पर फूलों से खेलिए, सूखे रंगों से खेलिए, but not with water. That's all I would agree. And thank you once again, everybody. And as Dr. Bhatt said, that it's one. Yeah.
Namaste, Parag Shah. I represent Bharat Next. Right. I represent Bharat Next. That's a platform for. That's a platform for MSME. I would say yes, save water, but why only for Holi? Save water throughout 365 days, 365 days, because it's going to be a resource, it's going to be lost. That's already shortage, as you said, South Africa, South Africa is already suffering, and we will also go to the same unless and until everyone of the land is going to भरा की सागर भी भर जाएगा तो हम बुद्ध बुद्ध से सागर भराएंगे मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है इनफैक्ट इन एवरी मीटिंग वी इंसिस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल
ये है चुनर वाली रंग बरसे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे और रंग बरसे ये चुनर वाली रंग बरसे फूल बरसे भी ये चुनर वाली रंग बरसे होली है
Good evening, everyone. Of course, as Nikita said, it's an amazing thought, saving water and playing Holi with the patins. It's amazing and happy Holi to all of you. Enjoy!
की रंग बरसे होली भरोसा सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा हाय गोरी का यार बलम तर से रंग बरसे वो फूल बरसे भीगे चुनरवा की रंग बरसे होली है एवरीवन सिंग इट टुगेदर होली
यस पहली बार तो मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा संजना जी का, पारुल जी का, मुझे यहाँ आमंत्रित करने के लिए। आई एम ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर। और ये जो एक इनिशिएटिव है, आई फील इट इज़ द कॉल ऑफ द आवर। एक कहानी सुनी थी मैंने बचपन में कि एक छोटी बच्ची सीप जो पानी से बाहर निकल आ रहे थे उनको उठा के वापस पानी में डालते जा रही थी। तो किसी ने कहा कि ये क्यों कर रही है, लाखों हैं। तो शी सेड पर मैं सबको नहीं कर सकती, पर जितने मैं बचा सकती हूँ, मैंने इसकी लाइफ बचाई, मैंने इसकी लाइफ बचाई। सेम इसी तरह से हम अगर अपने तरफ से अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ सिटीजन, एज अ ह्यूमन फुलफिल करें तो आई थिंक फिर तो ये स्वर्ग बन जाएगी जगह। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू अगेन एवरीबडी। थैंक यू टू आवर वंडरफुल फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द मीडिया कि आप आए और आप ये जो मैसेज है लाखों करोड़ों तक पहुंचाएंगे। एंड हैप्पी होली टू एवरीवन। फूलों वाली होली। यस, थैंक यू।
Okay, I just want to say first, I am grateful to attend this intimate gathering about Holi, water saving H2O. Okay, initiated by Sanjana John, Dr. Sanjana John and Dr. Bhatt being here. And thank you, Parul, for having me over here because I love these kind of initiatives being taken by any individual for that matter. और पानी सेव करना हम सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मैं उस चीज़ से गुजर चुकी हूँ। जब बॉम्बे में आप रहते हैं और पानी नहीं मिलता है, जब आप कहीं रास्ते में जा रहे हो बोलते पानी नहीं आप पी सकते हैं क्योंकि आप बाथरूम नहीं जा सकते। There are a lot of stuff which is interrelated in this country, but मैं जब अब्रॉड ट्रैवल करती तो आपको पानी की बॉटल ले जाने भी नहीं देते और मुझे पानी के बगैर चलता नहीं है। तो एक एक सिप जो होते हैं ना मैं पूरा पी जाती हूँ वहाँ पे बिकॉज आई लव वाटर, आई कांट सर्वाइव विदाउट वाटर। तो पानी अगर यहाँ हमारे देश में नहीं होगा, जैसे कि अभी बोला गया कि साउथ अफ्रीका में पानी की दिक्कत चल रही है, हाउ यू थिंक आप लोग कैसे सरवाइव करेंगे? तो ये जो इनिशिएटिव हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि पानी की बचत करनी चाहिए और जो होली है इसको हम फूलों से, जो हमारे यहाँ पहले भी खेलते थे, हमारे यहाँ हम बोलते हैं कि टू मूव फॉरवर्ड यू हैव टू गो बैक। तो हमारे यहाँ पहले भी वृंदावन वगैरह मथुरा में होली खेली जाती थी फूलों से, हम वो भी कर सकते हैं। फूलों को हम थोड़ा सा नुकसान दे देंगे पर जानवर बच जाएंगे, आपकी स्किन बच जाएगी, पानी बच जाएगा, पीने को मिलेगा और क्या चाहिए। जस्ट थिंक वंस, ये अगर पानी नहीं होगा तो आप कैसे रहेंगे? Hi love, come.
What would you like to say for today's wonderful initiative on Holi and the movement that you brought all the way from Delhi?
थैंक यू स्पेशली ऑल द मीडिया, आप सब आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए नहीं, हम इंसानियत के लिए, हर एक जीवी के लिए हम ये कर रहे हैं। अब सबको पता है अब कितना पानी का नुकसान और कमी है हर जगह पे। बेंगलोर में कमी है, बॉम्बे में कमी है और चेन्नई में। हम पैन इंडिया देखे, वी आर द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, 1.5 बिलियन पीपल। तो हमें सबसे ज्यादा सोचने चाहिए और मैंने ये एक मूवी के माध्यम से शुरू किया H2O मूवमेंट, पर जब मैंने देखा कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं इसको एक सीरीज और एक मूवमेंट बनाया। 50,000 स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ चंडीगढ़ में चला और सहारनपुर, देहरादून, ऋषिकेश, हर जगह में ये एक यूथ मूवमेंट बनाया है और यूथ हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं क्योंकि कल उनका है और उनके लिए पानी जरूरत है। और सबसे ज्यादा मुंह बोला जीवियों के लिए, क्योंकि हम इंसान जाके खरीद सकते हैं लेकिन बेचारे मुंह बोला जीवियों क्या करेंगे। तो हमें इन सब के सोच के हुए पानी का बचावत करने चाहिए। और सबसे ज्यादा कल हमारा सबसे अच्छा एक फेस्टिवल है होली।
इसमें हम अगर यही होली खेले बट एथिकली अच्छे तरीके से पानी का बचावत करते हुए और बिना केमिकल कलर्स यूज करते हुए, क्योंकि काफी जीवियों का मृत्यु होता है इन केमिकल से। तो प्लीज ये सोच समझ के आप जो मथुरा वृंदावन में जो किशन जी के टाइम से खेलते थे फूलों वाली होली, हम आप सबको हम सबके तरह से हैप्पी होली बट फूलों वाला होली फ्रॉम H2O मूवमेंट। शुक्रिया, जय हिंद, हैप्पी होली।
Celebrate a beautiful festival with, yeah, it's a beautiful initiative and something new to convey. What do you have to say on this initiative of Dr. Sanjana?
A big salute to Dr. Sanjana. You know, we all keep thinking about this कि ओहो पानी कम हो रहा है, पानी की बचत करो, but we never do anything about it. And someone like Dr. Sanjana John, who's actually taken this initiative and gotten us all together and started this movement, I think it's going to get everybody thinking and moving on this. So big up to Dr. Sanjana. She's like a sister to me, so I call her Sanjana only. And big up to her and her NGO for doing this amazing dynamic movement that she started. और आज जो कल छोटी होली है, परसों होली है, तो हम फूलों से होली खेल रहे हैं और हम खूब नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे, बट वी विल सेव वाटर, ठीक है, और हम पिचकारियां नहीं चलाएंगे, वी विल ओनली यूज फ्लावर्स। आई थिंक फूलों के साथ जो जो मजा आ रहा था, द वे वी प्लेड होली टुडे, नॉट ओनली वाज इट फन, इट वाज वेरी सिंबॉलिक ऑफ व्हाट इज टू कम एंड व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन, व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ द आर्ट, यू नो। पानी के ऊपर मैं एक लाइन गाना चाहूंगी, पानी दा रंग वेख के अखियां चो हंजूर उड़ गए। तो पानी एक ऐसी चीज है, जैसे हंसा ने भी बहुत अच्छे से बोला कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ नीड, इट इज ऑल्सो एन एलिमेंट, इट इज ऑल्सो एन इमोशन। हम पानी के साथ अपनी कितनी इमोशंस होती हैं, रोमांस होता है, सैडनेस होती है, कितनी चीजें एक्सप्रेस कर लेते हैं। सो वाटर इज अस एंड you know we are 70% water, right? So let's save water, let's worship water. I think water का worship करना चाहिए, तभी हम water को respect कर पाएंगे और water की बचत कर पाएंगे। So happy Holi with a lovely message, and play a meaningful Holi, है ना? वो पारुल को बताएं हम लोग साथ में होंगे। हमारे इंडस्ट्री के जो जितने भी लोग हैं, सिंगर्स, एक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स जो भी है, तो एक बहुत ही बड़ा पब्लिकेशन है जो हर साल एक बहुत बड़ी होली करता है, राजपुरी राइनोसरस। बता दिया मैंने वेन्यू। सो मजा आने वाला है, बिकॉज वी विल बी नेक्स्ट टू द सी, तो हम पानी को देखते देखते होली खेलेंगे, देखते देखते, यूज नहीं करेंगे, और सूखे रंगों के साथ।
It's a wonderful initiative. All thanks to this lady here. An amazing thought, which is important to the utmost core. कहते हैं जल ही जीवन है, and that's the reality of life. Every drop matters. जैसे हम ब्लड डोनेशंस की बात करते हैं, ऐसा समझो पानी डोनेट कर रहे हैं, वही तरीका है इसको बचत का नाम देने का. Like Sanjana ji just said about this bottle here, Bisleri also has come out with these lovely glass bottles, banning plastic, which causes cancer. It's something great. हम सबका कर्तव्य बनता है, हर हिंदुस्तानी का, everybody in the world today, to pledge to save water. That's more important. Thanks so much.
Getting this movement to India, Dr. Sanjana, spreading the word so beautifully, and also on the festival that India already celebrates, so much of beautiful fanfare, love and warmth. What would you like to say?
Look, center again.
No, just stop.
Okay, so this is a wonderful festival. It celebrates water, it celebrates life, and our foundation is Give Life Foundation. There's no better way to give life than to save water. Every drop counts. We have problems here in India, huge problems. Availability, quantity, quality, water management, getting the water from the places where it is, that's where it needs to be. So there's a lot of work to do. I'm here from Washington, D.C. in the United States to see what I can do to help promote the cause. We have our own cause with promoting stem cell donation, but they're both twin pillars of life. So let's support this and give life.
Where
Thank
do you
you.
rank India amongst where do you rank India in taking this?
Well, India has a huge issue with water. With the next wars will be fought over water. Actually, it's a scarce resource. You need water, and eventually we'll probably have to go to other planets to look for it. So, thank you all very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shweta, you've been part of such a wonderful event now. What would you like to say on Dr. Satyanarayana?
I just want to say thank you first of all for having me for this beautiful H2O movement. I believe we all need to save water, every drop, because it is the need of the hour. We have to do it because there's no life without water, and not only for as humans, but even animals or trees. Everything, nature needs water right now. आप माउंटेन्स में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे भी जो पानी है ना अभी बहुत कम हो गया है. इट्स नॉट देयर. इफ यू थिंकिंग कि ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट होंगे और पहाड़ों से पानी आएगा और हमें पानी मिलेगा, तो अभी वो भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि जितने स्रोत हैं वो सूख रहे हैं. So now we have to be very conscious and we have to make this effort that we don't waste water. So thank you for having me and let's all save water. Happy Holi to all of you.
Okay, firstly,
Seen that you've had a wonderful time today, Holi and symbolic dance about this your profession and Dr. Satyanarayana's initiative. What do you have to say about that?
I think now that you've mentioned that, also in my profession, what happens, we do a lot of shoots where we waste so much water just to get that one stupid shot, which doesn't even make sense. Because, oh, you focused on the actor so much and the water was not even the most important part, but we ended up wasting so much. I think we should, as even, whether it's me, each one of us, when we are also shooting, let's bring in better ways of saving water rather than using it and wasting it just to get that one shot of that effect. Or so also, since now she mentioned about my profession, there was a good thought that we should also start from where we work. So whether it's shoots, whether it's somebody in their own business, in their own kinds of cafes, anything, everywhere, even in cafes, when we serve water. So I, also belong to a lot of restaurants, and I'm very closely connected to the net. And when they serve water and people don't drink, then it just goes for a waste. We have to find ways to figure out how we put this together. Having said that, I was just thinking, itne bar, if you're going to talk about this, is it going to like irritate somebody? Let it irritate. इट क्योंकि आप जितना बोलोगे, जितना आप ड्रिल करोगे, इट्स लाइक हम बार बार कोई चीज रील देखते रहते हैं ना, तो वही गाना सुनते रहते हैं ना. हाउ वी गेट यूज्ड टू, वी हैव टू ड्रिल इट इन पीपल्स लाइफ. नहीं तो नहीं होगा. बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव गॉटन चार्ज्ड अप. हाँ, अभी हम पानी नहीं वेस्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी आर, but then that's it. Now once I'm out of it, it's going to go. We have to keep talking about it, and y'all are the right medium. How are we going to get there? So please help us. Reach out, reach out, reach out. Keep drilling it in people's heads. And please don't forget about animals. Trust me, like my heart goes out to them all the time. You have no clue what they go through. I mean, we try our best. Like, I would also want to rescue as many animals, but it's not. It's one thing to say I've rescued. One thing is to really take care of them. Yeah. You cannot just rescue and not give them the right kind of, living or whatever you call it. But least we can do is give them water. Yeah. है ना. पानी तो हमको भी चाहिए, इंसानों को भी चाहिए, एनिमल्स को भी चाहिए, एवरीबडी. उनको पानी दे दिया करो. पानी ही, you want to make utilize of it. So that's, I think, the best way. Having said all of this, thank you so much. I know you're doing this today. I was just talking to your mother, and I know that you're going to be traveling
Without water. Something very important, and this is something very, very utterly. I just want to say that she's doing amazing job. और पानी बचाओ, मतलब आप यहाँ पर बैठकर बोल सकते हो कि पानी बचाओ, होली में पानी बचाओ. एक मुद्दा है होली में पानी बचाओ, मगर राजस्थान में या कहीं और आप जाइए, बहुत सारे किलोमीटर तक बहुत सारी औरतें
सर पे इनके 3-4 मटके होते हैं और उस तरह से वो पानी लेकर आते हैं। होली के अंदर कितने लोग इरिटेट होते हैं, पेट्स इरिटेट होते हैं, हम लोग खुद इरिटेट होते हैं क्योंकि हमको इस मुद्दे पर बात करनी है, हमको इस मुद्दे को समझना है कि पानी बचाना है, पेट्स को बचाना है इन सब चीज़ों से, बिकॉज वो इतने फ्रेंडली नहीं है कलर से। उनको भी प्यास लगेगी तो हमारे पास ही नहीं होगा तो हम उसे कैसे दे पाएंगे। हम एसी में रहकर भी इतने इरिटेट होते हैं, एसी में रहकर भी इतनी गर्मी लगती है हमको, तो सोचिए उनके क्या हाल होते होंगे। बहुत बहुत अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल थॉट है ये पानी बचाओ। और आई थिंक इनकी वजह से बोला है हम सब साथ में जुड़े हैं ये करने के लिए। एक भी यहाँ पर इंसान शुरुआत कर लेगा पानी बचाने की तो जो हजारों किलोमीटर दूर जो औरतें पानी लेकर जा रही हैं शायद उनको इसका फायदा हो जाए। और हमारे ये बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स और मीडिया आप लोगों की तरफ से और हम जो सारे लोग इतनी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, शायद ये कोशिश बहुत बड़ी बन जाए और इस कोशिश पे हम आगे बात कर सके, बहुत हजारों लोग आगे आ सके, इसे बचा सके। और इन सब चीज़ों को हमें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंटली लेना चाहिए। एंड आई थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट मीडियम टू डू दिस एंड आई एम रियली रियली ग्लैड दैट यू आर डूइंग दिस एंड doing fantastic job. Not for here, not for pets and all, but then everywhere. I am just thinking about Rajasthan. I mean, I have been there last few days. I was shooting there and I saw. Oh my God! It's like water is life there. So please save it.
Ma'am, Sanjana, and everyone who has been, sorry for the bad throat, but thank you for this initiative because I see the significance of water, which every year we try and inculcate the importance of it, but we don't do it. We don't do it. I mean, we don't practice it how to save water. The most important thing is from the kids. The young generation needs to be informed and aware about, as you rightly said, the small, small things, the brushing, the shavings, the daily use, this that amount of water which every household can save can contribute significantly from the villages to everyone outside. And that's where this initiative makes a lot of significance. uh, Thank you once again, the government, Kavita ji, Ravi ji, and Sanjana, to make sure that this initiative has been uh, is loud enough, where we are having an opportunity to come up and bring to everyone's notice about how we can shape and give that significance to everyone's daily needs and save water on everyday basis, not just for the Holi, as we discussed. Uh, we are also coming up with the initiative where we are coming up with the best alternative in form of smooch kombucha, where we are trying to come up with, as there is nothing in current scenario on the shelf in a beverage landscape where we can have it which is as clean as water. We can't even pick one thing. So from a 5-year-old toddler to 95, everyone can have it. And if at least I can say in a pun intended way, we can save water by having kombucha as well or smooch. So that's something which I'm just letting everyone know. Try and make sure that in our daily lifestyle we can try and save water. Thank you. Thank you.
Coming up to us and talking about this cause. As we know from the policy point of view, we are doing a lot of things on the sustainability sector, new and renewable energy. Uh, Water is one of the part. If I talk about someone rightly mentioned that Almighty or the God is nothing but the Panchabhuta. Each and every element of our universe is very important. And similarly, at the policy level, at the government level, we're trying our level best to save water. And it is not, to be very honest, why would we look at from the policy perspective? Why we have to put the policy into the picture? If it is the daily need, it is the need of every hour, every moment. I think we ourselves should make ourselves understand this is the life. There is nothing, we are nothing in front of any other alternative. Water, there is no alternative for the water. So let's have this, and I thank Sanjana, coming up with this and spreading the awareness. And young generation is more important to, know this awareness. And Sanjana is already on her journey. So I wish her all the luck.
and we'll always support her on this.
मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, हर कंपनी ये समझना जरूरत है कि कौन सी तरीके से पानी का बचाव हो सके या सस्टेनेबिलिटी हो सके। तो एमएसएमई जो हमारा गवर्नमेंट का सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी है, रविनंदन सिन्हा जी, कविता जी, इनके सारी टीम इस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट करते हुए इनके जितने कंपनीज है इनके माध्यम से भी इस मूवमेंट को प्रोपगेट कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, ये हर एक को हर पल सोच समझ के करने वाली चीज है। एंड थैंक यू कविता जी, थैंक यू नीरज फॉर द सपोर्ट।
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Holi.
हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी होली।